Hi, this is Chris Dwyer. I'm a UX UI designer, and I'm going to get off the path from doing wireframing and prototyping to do a little CSS here in the front end. And this is how all web pages are styled. And whether it's up here in the upper part of the HTML document, which you'll see very, very often. It can also be you can also see inline styling here. And really, the best way to do it is to have an external style sheet where all this stuff, the actual syntax and everything's going to be the exact same. It may look kind of weird. But anyway, here's all your HTML stuff. And today I just want to explain the difference between inline elements and block level elements. And there's also inline block, which I'll get into probably in another tutorial. But every single element on a web page is really going to be either block level, which would be like right here, H1 paragraph tags. Your H1s are your H6 tags, your nav bars, your section, article, aside. I'm trying to think what else. Anyway, that's enough of them. And then your inline tags, your span tags, your anchor links. These down here, your span tag, your inline tags, they're gonna butt up beside each other. Meaning, span tag, span tag, span tag. They're gonna come up from. They're gonna be span tag. And then just to the right of the span tag, I am span tag, you're going to see I am span tag, and then another one, I am span tag, and then your anchor link, since it's an inline element, you're going to see I am a span tag, or I'm an anchor link. I am a anchor link span tag. And we'll do a couple more of those. You'll see what I'm talking about. This stuff, I think, is just very key to understanding CSS, how elements behave on a particular page, and it can save you a heck of a lot of time. And certainly things like images, I'll have to get into, and then floats and stuff. It can be kind of tricky and confusing. So hopefully we'll just see right up here. Yeah, let me style some of these things so you understand more of what I'm trying to get across. So down here, we're going to style the H1 in the paragraph. So how you do that is H1, and you want to put a comma P, okay, and then brackets, and then background color. So this will be behind the element itself. So we'll just say red, and then when you want to change the actual color of the font, we're just going to do white. So the white's going to show through this red background. So yeah, this is your H1 tag, and this is the paragraph tag. So you see, as it is spanning the entire width of the document. This does not matter whether it's a tablet, a desktop screen, a mobile screen. It's going to behave the exact same way until see. So that's how the way it would behave on a desktop. I'm sorry, a tablet screen. It's gonna be like that, or a mobile screen. So we can add a couple more. See what we'll just copy and paste this, so you kind of see what I'm talking about here. Again, you'll see it. It's going to expand the entire width of the page. And here are all I'll put some backgrounds in here. These are all your inline elements. So we're going to do kind of the exact same thing as what we did up here. So span, comma, and then a link, and then we'll do background color. We'll just do green, and then color white again. So you kind of understand what in the world is happening. See how these all butt up to each other right here? They're just going to butt up to each other. Whereas this one, the block level elements span the entire width of the page. These are inline. I just think it's important to kind of stress this kind of stuff because I don't see a lot of videos kind of stressing these things. I didn't when I was trying to learn this stuff. It's better just to be simple, you know. See how it does. See? And then it'll go on to another line. So those are the differences between that. I'll do another video on inline block because that's very important to understand. That's a great way to